Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be working on my new project, 2018 Nissan NV200. This car was purchased on the Copart last week. There is not a lot of damage. This car have I think 24,000 miles. Let's see how many miles on it. I think it's 24. Oh, it says check. 20,000 miles. It's pretty clean inside. It got power windows, power lock, backup camera. This thing is pretty nice. Guys, you can't believe it for how much I got it for. The winning bid was only 4,800, and the damage is, this is the all damage, the main damage, and this is the secondary damage, which is gonna be no problem to fix. Dent repair will do that for me, and I'm gonna go ahead and fix this part over here. Really light damage. There's no issues with this I don't know what you're gonna call this, van, not a van, small car. Honestly, I don't know, but I already did work on it slightly to be able to close this door, because this door wasn't closing at all. Now it closes, everything works good, but the gap on the bottom is a lot bigger than on top. But after I pull this corner, everything will be good. Total came out off of the auction, I believe it's $5,500. The car, you can basically, if you don't care about those damages, you basically jump in and can start working. Depends on the state. Either if you have to pass the state patrol, the damage will have to be fixed, but like I said, it's not a problem. If somebody that doesn't care about how their work truck looks like, push it out, put a bundle on it, or just push it out, paint it a spray can, and state patrol will pass it, since airbag light is working. Brakes are good, tires are good, the turn signal's working. They are not real critical about the damaged panels. Anyway, I can't pull this damage on my frame rack, plus it's busy. I'm gonna go ahead and load the tools that I needed and gonna drive to my body shop. He have bigger frame, pull that corner, and then I'll come back home. We'll fill in with the body filler. Then I'm gonna call my local dent repair and make an appointment so he can pull out that dents, and we'll see. There's a few imperfections on it. You can see the paint is cracked over here. But again, it's not a problem whatsoever. Anyway, let's get the tools inside this thing and let's go and do that corner. That's it, I'm done loading what I need. Now let's get the dogs inside and let's head it towards the body shop. Kex, Bella, get in. Bella, get in. Kex, get in. Good boy, good girl. Alright guys, I'll see you there.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars.
I'm done preparing. I got the paint off of this section of the panel. So what am I gonna do now? I'm gonna weld the plate. I'm gonna pull this damage out and then I'll weld the plate on the edge and pull it out, beat it in, from inside, so it's gonna be nice and flush with the door, and all the damage gonna be out. So it's gonna look awesome. And then after I'll do the rough pulling, I'll get his dent puller. I don't remember what is it called, and we'll finish pulling all those small dents, basically preparing everything for body filler. And I like to do as less body filler as I can, so that means I'll have to do a better job on the metal. Anyway, let's do some pullings right now.
Take my hand, and we don't need to do the things we don't want to do.
I'm done fixing this corner. It looks good. Put it damn straight. The gap looks right. Opens and closes pretty good also. So that's it at this stage. I'm gonna clean out this mess. We'll leave a shop clean like we came in. So now let's clean out everything, head out home and start the body work on this corner panel. So guys, before I will get the Nissan NV200 here, I need to stop by at the gas station, get the propane for myself because it's cold in the shop. And that's the only source heat I have. I also have oil heaters, but they're not keeping up real well. So the closest gas station is 15 minutes away. Let's get the propane, come back and start working on NV. Spiller, get him. Stay. Stay. No, stay. Lay down. Oh, baby. So far doing good. Alright, Nissan is in the garage, and first thing what I need to do is take this door off, put it on the stand. Then I'm gonna start working on this corner over here. I'm gonna apply a body filler, sand it. We'll probably apply another one to smooth this out, and this corner would look as original as possible. And then I need to work on the door slightly. There's few dents over here, and another reason I need this door off is to be able to work over here. That's my plan. The other door is finished. Then repair did it. All I have to do is just hang it, and that's it. That's it, guys. This corner is prepared, ready to be primed. I'll mask it off when I'm gonna be ready to prime it. Now I want to jump in on the door and fix that damage over there on the door. And basically I'm gonna be ready to spray a primer. Let's not waste the time and get to this door. That's it guys, the door is also prepared, ready for a primer. I went ahead and sand this area with the 320. I'm gonna mask it out like so and just gonna blend it, my primer over here. Same thing over here. This area is all sanded out. All I have to do is just tape it out and wax and grease remove it, everything. And basically I need to start shooting a primer. That's it, I'm done with the primer. Primer is applied, everything looks good. Should be simple to sand it down and then be ready for paint. Now let it sit and let it cure, and I'll come back when it's dry and be ready for sanding. I'll see you then.